Another intricate move. A brilliant takedown by Falguni. Finds Mac. What about that for a cheeky pass? But dinks it. We saw Asmir do it a couple of nights ago. This time Guillermo finishing similar style. And all the four attacking players of Northeast on the score sheet.
Fancy's chance. A lot of slice on it. Toy could not generate power. Oh, kept in by Falguni. Smart play. And Aladdin Ajare. A lot of power. Wrong side of the net. Some slick control from Falguni out there. He's just come on looking to impress even McCartan. Amachi, very unnatural position. Just check throw with a smart turn. Then trapped around that defensive zone. Angu finds Israfil. Samad still not stepping off the pedal. Northeast are they with a spell of possession and build a play from Mohonmedan Sporting. Falls to Remsanga. Too much on that. Almost a perfect ball. Aladdin Ajare still steals it. And now Toy steps away from Samad. Toy in control. Falls to Ajare. He'll look for that far corner.
Another challenging ball for Samad to deal with. Aladdin gets his head in front. Toy picks it up and decides to take a touch around Samad. And almost Sajjad Thare giving the assist to Aladdin, but he had the option to.
But this is where they would have wanted the likes of maybe Alexis Gomez or Kasimov on it, but they do not have the options available. Might be Shmerli, might be some planning, might be Ango. We'll find out very soon. D. Shmerli left. And Northeast United and not settling for even 5. That is aggressive from Pedro Benali and his team. And we might see some more aggression on the pitch just after a while tonight. The last round of 16 fixture. Floated towards the far post. Few added on. Robbie Hasta. Oh, turns around Dinesh and gets away from him. Robbie Hasta twice.
I want to see a bit more coming in to the squad for Mohonmedan Sporting.
Indeed, McCartan has found Falguni. Has the ability and the knack to score from there. Here's the target. Now Mohonmedan moving forward. 4 minutes added on. Angusana always under pressure whenever they play a pass forward. Shmerli, can they at least have a consolation? He was looking for Robbie Hasta's run, but has found Addison on the right with the step overs. Not seen too much of him after coming on, Addison. And that's a giveaway, a gift of possession. Aladdin Ajare, he has support, but he might try to do it alone. Aladdin Ajare past the defenders. And a penalty for Northeast. Cannot get worse from Mohonmedan Sporting. And now certainly, no question marks. Yes, indeed. A chance to grab a hat-trick. there be a bit of a redemption for young Shubhajit Kadachati? Aladin Acharya, and too easy for Aladin Acharya. First game of the Super Cup for him, and a hat-trick to start off. 6 on the scoreline. Northeast United making it look like a cakewalk at the moment, and the cherry being added with that hat-trick from their favourite, the fan favourite. To Mohonmedan, to Northeast United rather. Mohonmedan with a wayward pass. Falconi curling it in, and no one at the far post. Tried a bit too much since coming on. Somebody eager to impress and catch attention. And the confirmation of the changes, Istafel and Angu have gone off. It is Pamya Samad and Maxion who are on the pitch. All those youngsters playing for their reserves. Nice little exchanges in the midfield. With Yash Chekro slow to react. I'm not sure if there's too much time remaining. There is no time at all remaining. One-way traffic, absolutely, from Pedro Benali and his men, who wash out a Mohonmedan Sporting who were already in misery, and that misery continues. And a humiliating scoreline when they look back at it. Aladin Acharya, the quarterfinals are almost set. Northeast United will find their opponents in the next match, but they have made their way into the quarterfinals. That is one thing which is certain out here.